Hello guys, what's up everyone? My name is Michael Martins from internet.com, and I'm so kind of excited that I made my first commission online on Jvzoo, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. This video is totally for total newbies. This is basically for you if you're just starting out, because it's going to inspire you to do why they're actually the same results. Now this is just the beginning, because this is cents compared to what gurus make. So this is just a starting point, and it has given me a lot of encouragement to keep going on, and I'm going to keep on doing this, and I'm going to keep sharing with you guys the successes and my failures of what I'm doing, and I just hope this video inspires you. So I'm going to hit my desktop right now. I'm going to show you everything I do, right? Okay, so a day before my earnings, I recorded this video just in case I made any earnings, and as you can see, there's nothing in here. That's my name over there, up there, and this is my Jvzoo dashboard. If you scroll down, there's nothing here. There's absolutely not a cent here, and the date was Thursday 9th of April, just a few days ago. And the next day, I recorded the screen again, and I logged into my account, and that's my name over there again. And in scroll down, I got my first commission, which is $14.03. Now this is nothing, like I said, but it means a lot to me. Yeah, that's my first cash there. All I had to do was write an article on a review talking about DFY Suits 2.0 by Joshua Zamora, and this is the first time I was ever gonna write a review, but I did it anyway. There's a pain in the neck because I have never done this before, and I wrote a lengthy article. I installed RankMath on my blog, so it could guide me on how many words I can use, and the linking, the interlinking, and the outbound links I needed, the videos and all. I used RankMath as a guide to tell me what to do, and I installed a couple of plugins to make this a lot more easier. Apart from RankMath, I installed a table of contents, so it could easily, and so users can actually easily navigate on my blog article. So yeah, basically that's what I did. And what else did I do? I made sure I had spaces in between, if that really means if that really had an effect. So I wrote a full lengthy article, and I just installed copied the YouTube link to his demo, and I put it in here. And yeah, because I have a bit of experience in web design, so this was a little bit not that challenging for me, but it was okay, you know. All right, so and then I created a video. This was the biggest thing ever. It was the biggest pain in the ass because I have never done this before, and I didn't want to put up my face online, and it took me over 3 days to get this done this way. I did it once, and I felt this was good, or this wasn't good enough. I did over and over and over, and until I got tired and said, okay, this is it. I'm not going to work on this video anymore until I publish this one. So I published it, and that was what I ended up getting. If you haven't watched the video, you should just check it out and see my review, and please comment and tell me what you think about the video. Okay, so writing the article was just the first step. The next thing I had to do was create some social signals, and then I did that using redsocial.net. I went over to redsocial.net, and I went for their social signal package, which right here, when you click on the more, you can see the redsocial signal package. And I got some social signals to point to my blog right here. And after that, I basically went to Fiverr, and I got some blog comments, and also I went to Quora to answer a few questions and create a link back to my blog. But Quora gave me some notifications, and they kind of warned me not to keep posting my links, and I have to stop doing that. I don't know why it's not opening right now, but I use Quora to send some backlinks to my blog and bought some social signals. That's basically what I did. But the biggest challenge I ever had was creating the video, and that was really the biggest pain in the ass. But I was able to do it, and I sent a message over to Joshua Zamora, the creator of DFY Suite, and he'd never answered me on Skype because I'm still new to affiliate marketing. So I just didn't bother myself. I just had to slam in his demo video, and that was it. So I'm really excited about this, and I thought I should share to you guys with you guys how I was able to make my first commission on Jvzoo. And I think you guys should try it out and tell me what you think. And if you guys have a better idea of how I could have pull this off, you just leave a comment in the leave a comment below, and I will get back to you guys, and we can share ideas and all. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe to my video. I'm going to release more videos like this, showing what I'm experiencing, my challenges and all, and so we can all learn from it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I also hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like and share my video, and also hit the comments section and tell me what you think and what I could have done better, and tell me, let's share ideas basically. And I'm going to resume more videos like this as time goes. I'm going to share my wins and my failures as well, so you guys can actually get inspired and keep on moving. Thank you so much for watching my video. Peace out.